Hey everyone! In this video, we'll tackle the frustrating critical process died blue screen error that can stop your Windows PC from starting. We'll walk you through both simple settings-based fixes and advanced command prompt solutions you can try, whether you can access your desktop or not. If this helps, please like and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides. First, let's try the easiest method if you can still get into Windows normally. Click the Start button, type Settings in the search bar, and open the Settings app. On the left side, find and click Windows Update. Scroll down until you see Advanced Options and click that. Keep scrolling to the Recovery section, then click the Restart Now button next to Advanced Startup. Your PC will reboot into a special recovery menu. If you can't log into Windows at all, don't worry, we can still reach that recovery screen. Hold down your laptop or PC's power button until the device shuts off completely. Turn it back on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo appear, hold the power button again until it shuts down. Repeat this power on, power off cycle 2 more times. On the third or fourth attempt, Windows should automatically launch into the recovery environment instead of trying to start normally. Once you're on the recovery screen showing options like Continue and Troubleshoot, click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Here, let's try the simplest fix first. Select Startup Repair. Windows will scan for common startup issues and attempt to fix them automatically. This often resolves the critical process died error without any further steps. If Startup Repair doesn't work, go back to the Advanced Options menu, and this time, choose Command Prompt. We'll run a few commands to repair critical system files and boot records. Type each line exactly as shown, and press Enter after each one. First, enter bootrec/fixmbr. This repairs the master boot record, which tells your PC where to find Windows. Next, type bootrec/fixboot. This writes a new boot sector to the system partition. Next, run bootsect/nt60sys. Then, run bootrec/fixboot. This scans all disks for Windows installations. After that, enter bootrec/rebuild. This rebuilds the boot configuration data, which is essential for startup. Now, let's check for and fix corrupted system files. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This system file checker scan will take several minutes. Wait until it reaches 100% before moving on. Finally, run checkdiskc: to check your main drive for errors and fix them. Again, wait for this scan to complete fully. Once all commands finish, close the command prompt window, then select Continue from the recovery menu. Your PC should restart normally, and hopefully, the blue screen error is gone. If this video helped you escape the critical process died loop, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else struggling with this annoying Windows issue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.